Hi friends, welcome back to KUC Tube. So today we are going to make great. First of all, what is this? Is it fruit or vegetable? Yes, if you say vegetable, you're right. It's a vegetable. And what is it? It's a beetroot. So today, I think you already might know, but today we are gonna make a beetroot juice. It's very good for our blood platelets and it increases our skin glowiness. So let's get in the video. So our first step is to peel the scale. So I'll see when I peel it. Voila, we finished it. Look how wine red it is. It's so dark. So while doing peeling, take your parents' help because it's very dangerous for us. So let's go to the second step. Ooh, ah. So you can actually, this is the second step. You can grate it or you can cut it in small pieces. But I grated it. So yeah. So I think let's go to the third step. So now we transfer this into this. So let's transfer it. So now you can put 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey, which is very good for the health. But I put sugar. So let's put 1, 2. So let's grind it. So this step, take your parents' help. So we're grinding here. Okay. So now we're gonna add some water. So now our beetroot juice is ready. So now we're gonna fill it. Use a spoon to do the process quickly. So now the juice is ready, and I'm suggesting if you have plants, don't throw this. Put it for the plants. The flowers will grow very dark, just like a beetroot. So yeah, put it with you, and the juice is here ready. Done. It's pretty good. And this is it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification button so you can know whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye, friends.